On Wednesday, investors were reluctantly posted to buy stocks and push the market up to new highs. Nevertheless, during the New York trade yesterday, major US stock indexes dipped for a while. Yesterday, traders got to know a weekly update from the US Labor Department. The number of first-time jobless claims declined last week in line with the optimistic expectations. The benchmark S&P 500 index closed in the red, though it climbed to 4,701 in the early trade. The downward move was triggered by market expectations of alarming inflation data for November, which is due today. High consumer inflation alongside a strong employment raise hopes that the US Fed will fasten the pace of tapering its bond purchases and begin rate hikes earlier than initially planned. The US dollar eventually escaped downwards from the trading range. There, the greenback had got stuck awaiting policy decisions from the US Fed. The US dollar index slipped on the back of a sharp appreciation of the euro. The single European currency gained ground after Olaf Scholz has been sworn as Germany's new chancellor. As a result, the US dollar is trading at 96 points against its major rival currencies. The greenback escaped from the selling pressure quickly and its index rebounded to the previous highs. Its index is expected to trade in a narrow range between 95 and 70 and 96 and 30. Amid the decline of the US dollar, the USD CAD pair halted its upward move. The currency pair is likely to come under strong pressure amid growing oil prices, in case crude oil extends its rally. The currency pair could continue its downward move. Meanwhile, the USD CAD pair is trading at near 1.2670. It's set to trade in the corridor between 1.2660 and 1.2720. We warned you yesterday that Bitcoin looked feeble to develop a steady uptrend. The buying pressure is not strong enough to pave the way to new highs, so the price sank below 48,000. It would be reasonable to enter the market with long positions once the price settles above $51,000. The important task for bulls is to retain the digital token above the level of $47,000. On this condition, the price will be able to break upwards. Do you think that the crypto bulls are assertive enough to break the downtrend? Please share your viewpoint in the comments. Tomorrow, market participants are alerted to the report of crucial importance, the US CPI. The Federal Reserve has already begun a cycle of monetary tightening, and next week the central bank is widely expected to bring a verdict on faster withdrawal of bond purchases. For the time being, soaring inflation and high interest rates have become a hitcher for the whole world. One of the reputable rating agencies, Fitch, has presented its research info the current global situation. Experts predict that the high inflation will ease around the world in the second half of 2022. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.